All right. So, I've been getting a lot of drift in this Joy-Con in particular. So today, we're going to fix that. Looks like it comes with a set of tweezers. That Y bolt that we need to get into the back of the case. Small Phillips, which we're also going to need once we're inside the case. A plastic pry tool just to make it a little bit easier. And the actual Joy-Cons themselves. Okay, so you want to make sure that you don't accidentally press any buttons when you're doing this. When you're inside the controller, that is. Oh, this sucks. Wow. I can tell now why some of the Joy-Cons sucked. That's just QC, what she's through, what she's right. I should never gone through. Okay, now is where the plastic pry tool comes in useful. Just want to run it along the seam here until you get a little bit of an opening. You want to be very careful because there's going to be 2 ribbon cables right on the inside of this. I'm pretty sure you're safe to run this along the inside. Until it pops out. Just like that. Yeah, and the 2 ribbon cables you have to watch out for are actually here on the bottom. Wow, this looks very different than how the new Joy-Cons are in all the videos. This is an original Switch, bought on release day. Very interesting. So I can use the plastic spudger again. Get underneath this battery here. And that lifted out really easily. Just a little piece of adhesive in the corner there, keeping it in place. And it is safe to lift that up. Very neat. What kind of battery is this? Lithium ion battery. 525 milliamp hours. Like, thank goodness these screws are bad, guys. Does that make sense? I wonder if these are case. The answer is probably going to be yes. Yep, and that just lifts right up. Watch out for that ribbon cable. We are going to have to move this ribbon cable out of the way. I'm probably going to use fingers much to disconnect this. Cross the bridge and get there. Can we cross the bridge now? Maybe on those things. Using the spudger. Alright, I'll use my finger. I'm just going to use these. Really hope this doesn't accidentally turn on and get power right now. Move that cable out of the way. And unscrew that very last screw that is holding that in there. The very last thing though that we have to do is actually remove the ribbon cable from its little slot right there. Alright, this is coming out. And that came out too. And there you have it. Look, you can see it. It wobbles. It wobbles on its own. Anyways, this is going inside the controller. It's pretty tight in there, to be honest. Like, come on. Come on. Okay, the trick is on these little tiny screws, never to over tighten. Just put them in as much as they'll go, and then another quarter screw turn, but no more. So that's all in. Actually, one more so. There you go. One screws, we'll fuck them. Behind, and we'll fuck you up. Focus. Yeah, these are the kind of ribbon cables I'm used to seating and reseating. And you can like use the tweezers on these little tabs, and then you know it's in. And then you close it. Worst part is to fix it. Very, very tight. Right, right, right. Okay, that's 10 times freaking better. Heck yes. Whoop whoop. Go back to defaults. Yes, they all work. I can play Animal Crossing again. All right. And I have another one as a spare, just in case one of my other ones decide to go. I'll keep these tools. Y screws have been added to my arsenal of security screws that cannot bother me anymore. Thank you and good night. Woo!